What's up, everybody? Merry Christmas to everybody. Happy New Year. I want to make a quick video. Try not to go too long on it, but um, I'm seeing a red flag right here on the dollar. UUP is the ticker on some charting platforms, but I know StockCharts.com uses it, and the Symbolic was using it. I think the DXY is a good ticker. I haven't confirmed it on. Anyway, this is on a weekly chart. You can see it's on a 9 count coming down on the U.S. dollar index on a weekly chart. So uh, I would look for some kind of bounce, probably sometime within 1 to 4 bars after this 9 count is by TD Sequential, the way it's set up, the rules that go off of it. Oh, great. Now my battery's going to die. I didn't check that. And all the alerts going off. Okay. So just keep an eye on that. I don't feel real comfortable with this, but that's a red flag for me. You can see it worked perfect going up. You get the 9 count on a weekly basis. That's a major reversal signal usually off the trend. It's saying you've exhausted this trend direction. Ideally, it don't always work. I mean, I've seen it do 2 or 3 9 counts in a row, but usually you have to be in an extreme environment to have that. Like when we had the COVID, quantitative easing stimulus, when the Fed was, printing money and pumping up the economy and the stock markets and the bond markets and interest rates at zero. That's when we had that for sure. But so another thing I'm seeing over here, red flag, is this commitment of traders report on Bitcoin, and they do this every Friday. They report it. Usually, you can get it Friday afternoon to sometime early morning Saturday. But so they report this on a weekly basis, and this red bar is short position. You can see right here, and that's the dealers. That's the big money. Probably the hedge funds. Your brokers, your exchanges. They're heavily short. Probably the most short they've been could be historically. I don't know ever. I don't know. I don't know how far back this goes, but let's just do an all-time. See, yep, that's the most short they've ever been ever. So, be real careful on that. That could get a little cranky. I'm also looking at this. Everybody wants a crystal ball. What do you think it's going to do? When's Bitcoin going to bottom out? What's going to be the exact low? I can guess with the best of them like everybody else. At the end of the day, though, that's all it is. It's an educated guess. And, of course, it's not financial advice. And entertainment purposes only because, so what I'm seeing off, this is Larry Williams' cycle indicator in red in the middle of the page here. It was showing a bottom about yesterday, 12/19, and then showing Bitcoin to go up until Christmas Day, 25th, and then probably going to get some little pullback theoretically till the 29th. A little small bounce, first and second, and then another pretty good sell-off, looks like until the 18th of January. You might get a short rally up to the 22nd, and then it looks like another sell-off until January 31st. Looks like, man, that's not the ultimate bottom, but because it looked like it could rally after that till mid-March, about March 17th. And then it looks like you get another pretty good sell-off over here on the far right. At least a 3 or 4 day sell-off for some reason. I don't know what would cause that. I think the Fed meeting is sometime in February, but so that'd be my guess. If we go over here to the S&P, if I can find the S&P chart, let's see, simple. Okay, let's get that loaded up. Pretty much same thing. The S&P right now is testing the top of this cloud as support on the Ichimoku cloud. We really need to hold that as support. It's showing should bottom out, could bottom out on the 23rd for the S&P 500 and rally theoretically till February 17th also. Then you get another sell-off until about April 17th, a little after tax day. That'd be my guesstimation. That's probably what I would look to play if I was going to do it. I think Ethereum was a little different than Bitcoin's prediction off this cycle indicator. Let me pull it up right quick. It had a little different, like off of this little rally that we're in right now. Hopefully this rally will stay and sustain at least till Christmas anyway. But looks like this would be the bottom day on Ethereum. It's having a nice bounce day, what they call a price flip day, where you get a strong up day. As long as it closes where it's close to where it's at right now, that'd be a really good strong indication. But it's showing maybe Christmas Eve on the 24th might be the top short term, and then maybe a little pullback 25th, 26th, 27th could rally up one day and then sell off till end of the year, 31st. Maybe a small bounce till the 5th, and then down till the 8th, January 8th, and then pretty much sideways till the 25th, and then a pretty good drop, looks like till February 1st. That might be a short-term play on Ethereum somewhere around February 1st. The easy money would probably be somewhere around March 12th. Could hold it till March 16th if he was really brave. I'd take the easy money. I'd get out anywhere from the 10th of March till the 12th probably, but that'd be my guesstimation. So I was just trying to think of anything else I was seeing I wanted to mention, but I think that's about it. I'll keep this short and sweet, and if I see anything else come up, I'll make another video and post it. But keep everybody up to date. But just keep in mind, this is just a guesstimation. It's not like an actual thermometer reading. It's more like a windsock. It kind of gives you a guesstimation of at least which direction your wind's blowing, I guess, or your trend is going. But at the end of the day, you're still guessing like everybody else. So, and I'm not 100% sold on this indicator yet either. I'm still kind of testing it, just seeing how accurate it is, just for my own educational purposes too. Because I've been testing it out for, I don't know, say a year or two, but I quit using it I guess it was probably October, November of last year. I made a video off of it predicting where Bitcoin might go, where it might top out, and it was close. It wasn't perfect. You could probably go back and find it in my archives of YouTube, but go back and look at it on a chart and see how close it was. But um, so I think that's all I got for now. So we'll catch y'all later. Hope you have a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.